Today, we're exploring the cscart Google Address Autocomplete add-on, which provides automatic address suggestions during vendor registration, customer checkout, and profile updates on the storefront. Apart from this, I would like to mention that if you need extensions for increasing the sales of your e-commerce store, then you can visit store.webkul.com and explore our number of products for every technology. We also have the user guide for the same in our blog sections, from where you can check the features and configuration and get to know the functionality of the extensions as well. Now let's move back to our video. This is our admin panel. Click on the module here. Go to the Settings section and fill in all the necessary details. Enter your Google API key and check this box to enable Autocomplete Address. Next, we have Place Type. When you click on this field, you will see the following options: geocode, address, establishment, regions, and cities. You can read about each of these options in the paragraphs provided. Next, in the Country Allowance section, select the countries for which you want to enable the address display. Please do not select more than 5 countries, otherwise the autocomplete address feature will not work. After completing these steps, click on the Save button. To check the functionality of this add-on, let's move to the storefront. While proceeding with checkout, select any product and add it to the cart. Then click on Checkout. In the Address section, you can enter your preferred address as shown here. Then accept the terms and conditions and place the order. This add-on also supports vendor registration. Click on the Become a Seller button and enter the company name. In the Address field, when you start entering an address, it will provide suggestions like this. Additionally, customers can add their address in the Address field within their account information, as shown here.
And that's all about the functionality of this module. I hope you like it. If you have any queries, please contact us at support@webkul.com or raise a ticket at webkul.uvdesk.com. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.